In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Impact.com. Impact.com is a powerful platform for businesses and influencers to connect and grow their networks through partnerships. Signing up is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Impact.com. When you arrive at the homepage, look for the sign up option. Here you have two choices for signing up. You can either use your email address or one of your social media accounts. Choose the option that feels most convenient for you. If you decide to use your email, make sure it's an account you have easy access to, as you will be receiving some important communications there. Once you've signed in, you'll need to accept the necessary agreements. These agreements ensure that you're aware of the platform's terms and conditions, so take a moment to read through them before proceeding. Following this, Impact.com will ask you to verify your mobile number. This step is crucial for protecting your account as it adds an extra layer of security. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in your business information. This includes providing details about your website, selecting your country, and choosing the currency that you prefer to use for your transactions. Be thorough and accurate when filling out this information, as it will be instrumental in creating potential partnership opportunities on the platform. After filling out these initial details, you must verify your email address. Impact.com will send you an email with a link to confirm your account. Click on this link to complete the verification process. If you can't find the email in your inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk mail folder. Once your email is verified, consider whether you need to add any tax information to your profile. While this step might not be essential for everyone, some users will find it necessary, especially if you plan to earn revenue through the platform. When you're ready, proceed to complete your profile by filling in any remaining details. This comprehensive profile will help potential partners understand who you are and what you represent. Finally, go ahead and submit your application. Impact.com will review your submitted information and notify you of your account's activation. Depending on the completeness of your application and their current verification processes, this may take some time. But don't worry, once approved, you'll be all set to start exploring partnerships and opportunities on Impact.com. And that's it. You've successfully signed up on Impact.com. Remember, take your time with each step, ensuring all your information is correct and up to date. This attention to detail can significantly enhance your experience and prospects on the platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get started on your new journey.